Okay, welcome to our channel. Here we have a question of regression. Our question says that your work in advertising for manufacturing communication limited. You want to find the effect of ad size and newspaper circulation and the number of ad response using the data in the table estimated. Using the data in the table, estimate the known parameter and comment on the ability of the ad size and circulation in explaining the ad response. So we have a response, size, and circulation. Okay. Here we need to know which is dependent and which is independent. By looking at our question, we saw that the dependent is response and independent is size and circulation. So we let Y for response, x1 for the size, x2 for the circulation. Then we formulate our table. And here, in order to solve to get a certain parameter, we use a linear equation of regression. In a linear equation of regression, we need to have several things. We solve by formulating three equations through linear equations. So we need this table. We need the value of y, which is our response, and x1, which is our sizes, x2, which is our circulation. Then we need a total of x1 square, x2 square, x1 times x2, x1 times y, and x2 times y. As we have from our data, value of y, value of x1, x2, we find the value of x1 square, x2 square, x1 times x2, x1 times y, and x2 times y. Okay, then after, by consider our linear equation of regression, which is y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2. Since we have two parameters, so we formulate one. The one with summation of y n beta naught plus beta 1 x1 summation of x1 plus beta 2 summation of x2. The next one of x1 is the third one of x2. Then those summation we already find. So we consider this one to solve our parameter. Our parameter is beta naught, beta 1, and beta 2. By consider a table below, above we have a summation of y, value of n, summation of x1, summation of x2, and those others. We substitute here in order to find our parameter. Then we find our parameter by taking this matrix, by using matrix. We take the coefficient of each variable here and find the inverse times c value of this one, 15, 103, and 88. Then through solving this one, we can able to get the value of our parameter. So by using a calculator, solve it and we get the value for our parameter is, for beta naught is 0.064, for beta 1 is 0.205, for beta 2 is 0.280. So the unknown parameter of our equation is this one. Thank you for watching.